Here we are in one of the most desolate places on planet Earth, called Clark County.
The jungle and waste are not very traveled
We've come across some prehistoric dinosaur dung. Hard as rocks and can smash an ant in a single strike. What's that I hear? It's a barking spider.
I believe diversity is an old wooden ship used in the Civil War.
There's all kinds of dung.
Pretty sure that's a rock.
This is pterodactyl dung. You can tell by the way it squeaks. This is a small, these are prehistoric cornflakes. You can hear the way snap, crackle, and pop are biting. Ah! Ah! There's the Nevada state flower. Very picturesque. It's nothing like the view
of the universe.
The view of dead, dying, desolate landscape. Very picturesque if you're blind. Alright, that's enough.
Like when I did magic for the blind. Is this your card? I don't know. Is it a red card? I don't know what red is.
Oh snap.
Ta-da!
Well, we'll sign off with a child's laughter. We're now looking at poison oak. Very important not to touch it because you can get rabies. Ow! Uh-oh. I just became infected with poison oak.
It's the smell.
Now I have sickle cell anemia. Let's see what's in here. It's important not to ever put your fingers in places you don't know what they are.
So
Now I'm going to die.
strawberry flavored death.
Here's a crevice on the far side of the moon.
Ooh, potassium bromate. Do you know what that is? Do we need to call someone for you, sir? It's known to cause renal cell tumors, mesotheliomas of the peritoneum. This supermarket's trying to kill us.
Clark County,
Strawberry flavored death.
Nevada. You'll never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. This place is full of dinosaur dung. It's disgusting. Looks like poo. It's hard like poo. Ah!
Smells like poo.
Doesn't taste like poo. That's gross. Do not desecrate your public land by kicking prehistoric poo into the trail.
It is not prehistoric dong sa.
It is. There's a small little flower with fuzz on it, but closely we see it resembles the hibiscus plant only found in the northern regions of Algiers.
In northern Afghanistan.
And it smells like wood smoke and urine. Odd. Pressing on to the more desolate areas of the place we like to call home. Here we are as a public service announcement on your local
Urging you never to travel
Never
to
to-
Tijuana.
touch cactus. Especially ones with little brown little fuzzy things, because they could...
Packs of stray dogs that control most of the northern and
Ow!
southern areas.
Now it's important not to touch these wicked little creatures, because they could bite you at any second. Ah! See all that? Now those are festering in my pores, and I will lose this thumb. But luckily we have a tourniquet, which will relieve me of this excruciating pain.
You're stupid.
Stupid as the stupid does.
Why'd you have to touch the plant?
It was a public service announcement. It's very important. When people see this video, they will know, hey,
Maybe
that's
I
a
shouldn't touch
cactus.
cactus.
Don't touch it, or you could lose a thumb. He's trying to save my thumb. Ow! Very admirable. Trying to save my thumb. But we will have to amputate.
Did you throw a trident?
I killed a man with a trident.
Oh, and
I could still die as you're pushing the festering spores of death. Oh, it's all over my hands. I'm gonna lose this hand. Yes. I'll be a handless piano player. I could be the new version of Ray Charles, except instead of being blind, I will only play with one hand. What?
Darrell, she has beautiful eyes and her hair smells like cinnamon.
We're still in the belly of the beast, and its name is diversity, which of course means a small wooden ship. Hey, quit wiping your nose on your shirt. That's disgusting.
You're disgusting.
This is a family video.
Damn it.
There's no swearing in the family video.
Oh.
Now it's PG-13.
Blah.
Well, sky's blue. Yep. Glass half full. Alright. Here we are. It's important not to step on any bushes you see. Ow! You get a nasty sting. Stings the nostrils.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Don't throw that rock. Ow!